How to pretty format the printing of SQL queries in SQLAlchemy. I'm using SQLAlchemy to generate SQL on the fly using compile and setting the dialect and compile_quarks arguments. Example, using str ins.compile, dialect equals oracle.dialect, compile_quarks equals, a literal_binds column true. This works fine, except the output is not formatted in the most pretty SQL statement ever. For example, one of my outputs looks like this. Instead, I would want this to print out like the following. How can I get SQLAlchemy to pretty print the SQL statements? To replicate.
Use the SQLparse package. Some options: pigments, SQLparse, format SQL.
The project SQLparse is mature, more than 10 years, and is still very active. SQLparse aims at parsing, splitting, and formatting SQL statements. The following example uses SQLparse to pretty format SQL files. To install SQLparse using pip for personal usage. To install SQLparse using PyPen within a project.
Following both v_Ratu and Noho's examples, I created an easy-to-deploy script on GitHub that uses SQLparse. It handles one or more SQL files and has a clean output that can be piped for single files. Here is the source.
If watching Photoshop, this is a line inside.